Now, KapKVU First Alert Weather with Chief Meteorologist Brianna Berman-Solo.
Welcome back on this Friday. We are looking at a big cool down, and that's the big part of the weather story. Temperatures will take a dive today, and we're seeing rain moving in. That's causing the cooler weather. The cooler weather sticks around for this weekend. Mild and dry, though, so if you have travel plans, you'll see the wet pavement for your Friday forecast, but Saturday early morning hours looking great, and Sunday should be dry for the way home. Radar, satellite, we have a big system coming in from California right now, and it impacted the southern states first. Now as it's moving up the west coast, it's bringing rain to north central Washington and north central Oregon right now. So, or I should say south central Washington. You can see it does head north up into the center part of the state here today. 9 o'clock this morning, we will start to see the widespread potential of rain that is falling right now in Yakima and Toppenish, impacting Tri-Cities and Walla Walla. That continues for the 1 o'clock hour. Looking ahead to 6 o'clock, we may see some storm activity for northeastern Oregon, but in the higher elevations where we would typically see lightning sparking new fires with any summer thunderstorms. Now we're at the end of the season here, enough rain that rain should squelch any new fire starts, and we'll see rain continuing until 11 o'clock before it wraps up at midnight. So again, wet weather. We have a lot of rain on the way for this time of year, more than normal for one day in our late summer season. The futurecast for Friday morning into Saturday early morning hours shows you that our expected rainfall totals will be anywhere from about 1/10 of an inch in Ellensburg up to 1/4 of an inch in Toppenish. And then we could see more than 1/2 an inch where it is raining right now through the central part of Washington. So temperature trend, I mentioned that's the other big part of our weather story, the rain. Cooler temperatures, we see a complete change in the weather pattern where this week, we were seeing temperatures in the 90s, that long string of days in the 90s. Now we're below average. 85 degrees is typical for this time of year. We will be well below that today. Rain at noon, we'll see 69 degrees by 4 o'clock. So those temperatures cool off after we hit our daytime highs early. Rain continues until midnight. We'll see dry, smoky weather returning to Yakima, but cooler 70s and 80s. We'll see 70s today in the Tri-Cities, and it looks like the 70s to start off the weekend. Again, dry sunshine returns for Sunday, and we'll be looking at cooler weather to start off next week. Amanda?